Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel language change. First, open Excel and navigate to the File tab, then select Options. This opens the Excel Options dialog box, where you'll find various settings to customize your experience. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for effectively managing language preferences within the application. We'll cover both display and formula language adjustments in detail. To change the display language, once in Excel Options, click on Language in the left-hand pane. Under Office Display Language, you'll see a list of installed languages. Select your desired language and click Set as Preferred. If your language isn't listed, you might need to install a language pack. Remember, a quick restart of Excel is necessary for these display changes to fully apply. Now let's tackle formula language. In the same Language section of Excel Options, look for Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. While this primarily affects proofing tools, some versions of Excel allow you to specify a formula language here or through regional settings. This ensures that when you type a formula like sum, it's recognized correctly in your chosen language, such as somme in French. For a seamless experience, it's often helpful to ensure your operating system's regional settings match your preferred Excel language. This can prevent unexpected formatting or function name issues. Many online resources provide comprehensive tables of Excel function translations, which are incredibly useful when working with different language versions. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other deals. It's a great resource for anyone wanting to rethink their approach to money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.